Hey YouTube, how's it going everybody? It's Friday. Make a little video for you guys. I placed an order to eBay. Fragile. Yeah, I crossed my name off so y'all don't know where I live. I ordered, I thought it was a quartz nail for my rig. Not cut yourself here, guy. And it ended up being a titanium nail. And I ordered it from out there in Burbank, and the shipping date said that it'd take like 3 days. It should have been here on Wednesday, and it's Friday, guys. So leave it to good old eBay. And then I messaged the guy like, hey, it's Wednesday, what's up? And he's like, oh, well, it takes 2 to 5 days. Now, mind you, I ordered this thing at like 7 a.m. Friday morning last week. So 7 a.m. and this is what I get today. Dabber globe, more bubble wrap, nail and torch, the keychain on the torch, and this is the part that I really wanted. This is my adapter. With the fucking cigarettes. Guys, don't smoke. This shit sucks. The Reclaim adapter for the 18mm. Toodoo. Fits so perfect, guys. Perfect. Look, I'm gonna show you. I told you I get the bong out. And here comes Sissy, baby. Always. That's my stoner dog. So, what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna season this nail. It took me a few hours to figure out, you know, what videos to watch and which ones were better, which ones sucked. You know, pretty much all that shit. That is a heavy, thick piece. MFG USA GR2, so it's a grade 2 nail, 4-piece nail. This thing is pretty slick. Let's not cross thread it the first day. So, guys, and this lighter came full. I had one of these before, and I used it for my oil pipe, and it blows. Let's get all this unwrapped and I'll just show you guys. I'm waiting right now for this guy to hang on, guys, we're gonna be immature for just a second. I love bubble wrap. My cousin's partner at work called me. My cousin called me for him, and he's like, well, my buddy says that he wants some clones and he'll give you a light for them. Now, I don't know why this guy wants clones if he's not going to grow, or, you know, if he wants to trade a light. Oh fuck, I fucked this up already. I did not get the Reclaim jar on the bottom. It was more than
Sorry about that.
It was more than what I had to spend. It was like $45. So guys, I got my pan of water here. I was gonna do it on just put it in Tupperware, but if I drop it, the luck that I have is it'll burn through the Tupperware, and I'll go to pick it up and it'll still be hot. So that's what we're gonna do. I really don't know how long to do this for. This is the first time I've done it. So we're just gonna crank the torch up, get it pretty warm. And then drop it into that water. Pretty much a squelcher. I'm broke this week, so I'm just gonna season this for you guys. I'll go pick up some oil probably Monday or some shatter. Pretty much just get this thing warm. Yeah, let's utilize the box it came in. Oh, nope, that's still not right. Crap. We'll just get this hot real quick. Probably do this, I think, 5 or 6 times. My torch may run out between now and then. I don't know. It's just starting to change colors now. I don't own any of the rights to the music in the background. It's YouTube. It's playing on the Xbox. Alright guys, we're gonna squelch this real quick. Cool. Shit stinks. Dry it off real fast. Before we stick it back in there. I'm not doing nothing different, guys. Just seasoning that now. You know, it's probably better I do it like this anyways. Because I really don't want to fuck up that adapter. That's just fucking smoking on there. We're gonna grab it down at the bottom real quick. The other way I seen was I seen Jolioli do this custom grow 420. Just took a lot of oil that people sent him and just dabbed it and dabbed it and dabbed it and dabbed it. Well, you know, I don't have friends that'll give me oil because they make their own and they don't smoke flowers anymore. So, you know, we're just gonna season this real quick. I might go pick up some oil tonight. I'm not sure yet. Not too sure. Yeah, how's your guys' weekend going? Yeah, I don't know. I had to take my medication because I ran out of other medicine. So, you know, I'm kind of medicated. And I really don't like taking my medication. Do you hear that? I really, really don't like taking my medication at all. My personal opinion, opiates really fucking suck. You know, it's not fun. You know, after 3 or 4 days of constantly taking taking opiates, you know, well, fuck it, I don't want to no more. Well, it kind of grabs a hold of you and you get a little sick, you know. So that's where cannabis comes in. woke up one day about 4 years ago and felt like hell. And I was like, fuck it, I'm done taking my pills, this and that. And kicked opiates. And didn't take them for probably 2 years, 3 years, like not at all. And you know, I just had a couple bottles sitting in the cabinet, or in a gym bag in the closet. And I've had them for 2 years. You know, they cut my script. So because I wasn't taking them, I had to go to the doctor and urine analysis to make sure I was taking them, and I told them I didn't want to take them no more, and that I quit. So they told me that they weren't going to write me any more scripts and just keep what I had left for any other future use. So yeah, and I hate the shit. It fucking sucks. But rainy, nasty days like this, you know, halfway through my day, it really sucks ass. This is really starting to get a good color on it. I don't know. I think that's like the 4th time, 5th time. Probably gonna have to refill my torch when I'm done. I'll come at you guys later on with another video for how I do this light. I asked Baloney Sheets MD what I should do with the 400, because I was going to do a scrog, but I don't have enough places in that one room to do it, and I've already had 3 boxes all over my house with seeds starting and clones this way and flop. That's just too much stuff to have all over, guys. I really don't like it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Well, yeah. So I'm just gonna add the 400 to my new tent, or to my tent with the other plants. That'll be 1,000 watts. The 400 is a magnetic, so you guys will have some problems seeing, because due to I have an Android phone, not a camera. Yeah, I see this pen, or this tip of this torch starting to go down some. But yeah, I'm gonna keep squelching this, guys. Get it hot and drop it in here. Waiting on my wife to get home from work now. Nasty ass day out. Probably just gonna eat dinner and relax, because I don't feel worth a shit. I don't want to do nothing. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep doing this, guys. You have a safe weekend, and I'll get back to you guys later on with how I set the tent up. Peace.